Heather. Heather. Did Grandma send us anything besides bubble wrap?
Nope, just bubble wrap.
Ethan, you won't be finished until every one of those bubbles is popped, okay?
Okay.
I want every one of those bubbles popped.
Don't touch it. Stop touching the bubbles. I think Ethan actually wants to be wrapped in bubble wrap. Ethan, do you want to get wrapped in bubble wrap? You want to wrap the iPad in bubble wrap? Here, let's wrap the iPad in bubble wrap. Wrap the iPad. Just trying to wrap the floor. Oh, the newspapers.
Yeah, they definitely need to be bubble wrapped. That's very fragile. Ethan, make sure whatever you wrap doesn't break, okay?
Boo! Boo! Oh, you're gonna see? I knew it. You wanted to wrap yourself in bubble wrap, huh? Alright, let's put it around the middle. Alright, we ready? No? Okay, no, no putting that on your face, thank you.
I like that. He wasn't suffocating.
Oh, there we go. Okay, you want to put this in bubble wrap? Good job.
Why don't you wrap it for him and then give it to him? If you can get it away from him.
I don't think that's going to be happy.
There we go. Now I'm happy. Yes.
Here we go. There we go. Okay, I wrapped it. There. See? You want to unwrap it now? How do you get that out of there, huh?
We're going to have to tell your parents to stock a lot of bubble wrap when we go to Seattle.
Alright. Oh, okay, wrap it up again. Good job. Is it ready to go? Let's take a Seattle like this. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh. Okay, wrap it up again.
It's a gift.
Unwrap it. Unwrap it. Unwrap it. There we go. Yay! Wrap it. Wrap it. Ready? Unwrap it. Unwrap it. Unwrap. Oh, wrap. Wrap. Unwrap. Unwrap time. Oh. Good thing it's in bubble wrap, huh?
Mm-hmm. I think that was the whole idea behind this exercise.
Unwrap it. What's in there? Is that the iPad? Wrap it back up. Wrap it back up.
So I don't think I told you this, but remember the video we put up with Ethan hunting for the deer?
Yeah.
So some random dude in like Minnesota or Michigan, he found the video. He thought it was an actual deer hunting video, and that's what he specializes in. Like all his videos are how to like clean, you know, venison and what to do with the carcass. And he like, you know, he like asked me to be friends on YouTube. What's this meltdown all about? What's wrong?
I think it's nap time.
Maybe. We'll keep wearing him out. Is it nap time, Ethan?
I think it's nap time.
This is great. 2 videos in one.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Bubble wrap and nap time. Ethan, we can wrap you in bubble wrap and then give you a nap. We'll call it bubble nap.
Bubble nap. Bubble nap.
I'm so clever. Does mommy want a nap too?
Bubble nap.
We're gonna get 15 good minutes of footage on Ethan and Grandma's bubble wrap. What exactly did she wrap anyway?
Just stuff. Just stuff.
It's like, hey, what else is in this box?
Nah, the bubble wrap's the coolest part.
Ethan, I still hear some bubbles. They still sound like they're not popped yet. That's right, you show that bubble
And
wrap.
there's the iPad.
You got a gift from Grandma. It's an iPad. Grandma always knows what you want. That's amazing.
Why remove the iPad from its protective case?
So we can put it in the bubble wrap. Duh. We might even get 3 videos in one. I can't get right side up.
There it goes. Cuts.
Are we done?
Yes.
Alright.